It's 6 a.m. I'm exhausted, but I'm excited because we're going to see Chichen Itza.
Here's what I learned real quick. I will spare you guys the history lesson because you could just learn about Chichen Itza and Kukulkan on TV. One, if you want to come here with a camera, you can. You have to pay an extra fee to use it. However, you are not allowed to bring a drone at all. Not even a question, it's just zero tolerance. And the other thing you can't have is a microphone. So audio on this is probably crap, but it's kind of worth it. Another part of Chichen Itza that's kind of mind-blowing. Everybody always looks at the temple and they're like, wow, that's amazing. But like these stone pillars representing warriors are cut so precisely, placed so precisely, and they're thousands of years old. It blows my mind. So the last stop on the tour is the sacred cenote, and then we're dipping out of here. Let's see what this place looks like. All right, we made it to the cenote. You can see right behind me, there's some ruins right there from way back. But it's kind of disappointing that you can't fly a drone. If you could fly a drone here, the footage you would get, just nuts. Still highly recommend. All right, so that does it for our time at Chichen Itza. Highly recommend it. The photos are great. I'll show you some of them at the end of this video, but we are going to be late for our tour bus. We had a really short little stint here and we got to run. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.